How to use the free hit chip in Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about using a free hit in FPL. So first, you need to go ahead and install the latest version of FPL application on your mobile device. Make sure that it is updated to its latest version and also log into your specific account. Now, once you're in the home page, tap on Pick Team option by going to Fantasy section first, then tap on Pick Team. If you have a free hit available, it will allow you to make unlimited free transfers for a single game week. To use this, go to Transfers. As you can see the indication in the top right corner that free hit is not available in my account. So go ahead and tap on Transfers instead of Pick Team. Then after, choose a player that you want to replace. Select a replacement player and tap on Next. And if your free hit is available, you will see the option to confirm it. Tap on Confirm, and if you've already used your free hit, it will show as unavailable. So that's how you use a free hit. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.